Hi guys. Okay, so I'm gonna do this in a segment of videos. Because I only have 5 minutes to do each video with this recording. When I'm recording. So we're gonna go over Zsuite. We're first gonna go into Zsuite. You're gonna look up Zsuite on Google. So you're gonna come here and go Zsuite. And it's going to pop up this here 4h.zsuite.org. And you're going to come in and it's going to come to this. So what you're going to do, if you have not made an account, you're going to want to sign up and do that. So basically you push sign up, and then you as a parent needs to do it per household. You put an email and your email confirmation and just follow the steps. So your children will not have their own account. This is kind of a family account. So it'll go through there and register it. So I'm going to go back. So I'm already registered, so I'm going to log in. Let's see. Okay, so it's going to come over here. Here's my mine. So what you're going to do is you're going to come over here to you're going to just make sure when you register for clubs. So what you're going to do is household members. You're going to add a household member and you're going to put their first name. So I'm going to put Fall, even though she's not on my account, but I'm just going to go like this, and then I'll delete it later. And then what you're going to do is you're going to make sure they're a club member and then put in their birth date. So we're going to go December 2006. Okay, so we're going to put in the birthday. Then you're going to go add club. So you're going to choose your county of Jefferson County. You're going to add your club. And you're going to come down here where it says R. And you're going to find mine. Mine is my last name. So it's going to come down here. It's going to be this one here, Orgel and Bates Dog Gone Wild. That is the club you need for our dog 4-H. Then you're going to add club. And you can do this for all yours. Okay. Then you're going to push save. Okay. And then if you want to take the club member out, you can press this X. So I'm going to stop this video. And then we are going to go on to the next step, which is we're going to do record books. So you're going to come over to the side and go to record books, and I'll explain how to do this from here.